Hey guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial with me, your girl Latoya. If you're new to my channel, thanks for clicking onto my video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and thumbs up this video. For this hair tutorial, I will be using my 50-inch pre-stretch expression hair in the color number 2. I am also going to be using my hair gel wax to lay my hair as flat as possible. Now the first thing I'm doing is parting my hair from the side to the middle, and what I like to do is to apply my hair gel wax to my scalp, and then I'm going to retrace that parted section so it can be neat and tidy as possible. So once I get to the middle of my head, I like to use my fingers to feel for my scalp and then follow my fingers going downwards. So once I'm satisfied with the parting, I'm going to go in with my hairband just to secure this portion of my hair.
It's down white boy.
So before I start my braid pattern, I like to section off the hair itself. So I'm going to go in and take small pieces out. But as I take more of the hair out, the pieces get larger and larger. Now I'm going to apply the hair gel to the perimeter of this parted section and then go in with my old toothbrush and sweep it in so it can be as flat as possible. So the first thing I'm going to do is to part out a small section of my hair, put it into 3 pieces, and I'm going to start my braid pattern with my natural hair first. As I go along, I will take pieces of the braids and apply it to my natural hair itself. So I'm taking the piece of the hair and I'm going to place it under my finger. I'm going to braid that portion in, and then when I reach over on that side again, I'm going to take the other piece of the braid and place it on the same side under my finger and braid that portion in as well. So first, place it under your finger, braid that portion in, and when you reach over onto that side again, you take the other braid, place it under your finger, and also braid that portion in.
It sound right, boys.
So guys, I have completed this portion of my hair, so now to style the other portion of my hair.
It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So now that I've completed all the braid patterns, I'm just going to go ahead now to show you how I style the hair itself. So I have some little perm rods here, so I'm going to wrap my hair around the rods and I'm going to place them into hot water. You have to be very careful, guys, when you're using the hot water so you don't burn yourself. After placing the hair in the hot water, I allow the rods to stay on the hair for about 5 minutes just to let the curls set. So guys, this is the final look. In total, I used 1 pack of braid. Guys, this is a quick and easy protective style tutorial that you can try with your hair. Guys, I am loving the look, and if you're new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, post your comment, thumbs up this video, and share. As always, you know, I am loving the look, I'm loving the feeling, and guess what, guys? I'll see you next week for another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.